What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Trending with past. Yeah, it's a rainy day today, and also it's very cold in Vietnam. So it's weekend also. So we don't have anything to do. So I just make a new vlog about the camera that I'm using now. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So it actually is about the action cam. So I'm going to a coffee shop so we can talk. Okay. So we arrived. Yeah. It's near my flat. The coffee. So we drink coffee. I drink coffee every day. So every day maybe 2 or 3 cup of coffee before doing anything. Okay. So I have my GoPro ready to record. So we are going to talk about why I use and how I use this GoPro Hero 7. I bought this about 1 year ago when I think that I need a camera to record video when traveling. I travel a lot during the year, so you know that I went to many different countries. Not many, but now 10 or I don't remember. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm trying to vlog with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the one I'm using on with my hands, nothing more. No GoPro stick, nothing, because I want to make this video because many of you may wondering if the GoPro Hero 7 is good for vlogging or something like that. So I'm kind of think it's interesting. And for the GoPro setting and camera setting, I will leave in the description so you can know. Now I'm working on the street with only my hands. So the things I like about the GoPro is that the stabilizer inside the camera is very good, and also the image quality is good too. So it's kind of interesting action camera compared to DSLR. The video quality is not as good as the DSLR because we cannot control so many settings inside the camera, but all in all it's a good action camera. And the things I don't like about it is that the audio, when we work on the street without a mic attached with the GoPro, then it's the audio is capture everything around you. So maybe the audio is not very good. That's the point. Another thing I hate about using the GoPro is that it becomes very hot when we continue shooting video, especially for a long video like 8 minutes or 9 minutes or something like that. It becomes very hot and it hangs sometimes. So we have to remove the battery and restart the GoPro. And yeah, that's all the thing I don't like about that, and many things I like about that. Firstly, it's small, lightweight, and we can put it in our pocket and put it out anywhere, anytime. And also we can still working and filming without shaky because the stabilizer is good one. And also it give us some I mean it's give us so many options with the video. For example, we can shoot 4K in 60 FPS and 1080p 100 up to 120 frames per second for this GoPro. And the new GoPro is GoPro 8. I think it's I didn't see the spec carefully, but it said that they can record 4K video with 120 frames per second with stabilizer on. Many people will complain about the low light situation when filming with the GoPro, but I don't think it's a bad point, because whenever you film you need a good lighting condition. If you're filming in the dark in the evening, then you need artificial light, because the sensor of the GoPro is also very small. So we have to make it good quality in low light situation? We try with the camera DSLR or any other camera in low light. It just doesn't work well. So nothing complain about that. Talking about the price of the GoPro, I think it's affordable because if on Amazon is about around $400 for the Hero 7 Black and $600 or something like that. I will put it after I edit the video, the correct price of the GoPro. And compared to a DSLR, maybe the cheapest one I own now is about $700 US. And we cannot stabilize the footage without the gimbal. We can only handheld, so it's just very short film. So I think it's more affordable than using a DSLR. That is not count when you use your smartphone to vlog. Okay, so that's just my short video, my opinion about using the GoPro Hero 7 Black to vlog. So I hope you guys find it interesting. Now I will show you some footage that I record during my previous trip to Korea. Sorry, bad audio. I will put it later when I go back to the editor. So if you are using the GoPro Hero 7 Black, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, bye. welcome to my channel.